to another video. Today I am doing something different. I'm going to be talking about the running costs of a BMW 8 Series. Now, I've had this car for just over 2 years and I've loved every minute of it. It's a beautiful car, it's very nice to drive, it's luxurious, and it's completely different from my previous car, which was the 4 Series. Now this, like I said before, it's just a running cost video, let you know how much it costs to run this car on a yearly basis. So we'll start off with petrol. So petrol we put in around 80 to 90 quid roughly a month. That's how much it costs to fill up the tank. We don't get much in terms of mileage on a full tank. We can get around 320. At times we've had more 380, but obviously it just finishes quite quickly. This is a 3 litre straight 6, so it does consume a lot of fuel. If we add that up to a yearly amount, we're looking at around over £1,000, which can be a lot depending on the car you have. So if you've got a smaller car like a Vauxhall or a Nissan Micra or something, then obviously you're not going to be looking at £1,000 a year. So yeah, petrol can be quite high. Next up we've got insurance. So insurance, my renewal was coming up in next month. Last year I was quoted £1,350. This year it's going to increase a lot more. Obviously insurance premiums always go up yearly. I don't know why, blame this country. So I'm looking at around minimum 1,700. It'll probably be a lot more, and that's with 2 people on my insurance, so me and my older brother. Minimum 1,700. It'll probably be a lot more. So if we add up just insurance and fuel, we're looking at around 2,800 just on its own. And then we've got road tax. That costs us £570 every year. Now it's proper high because it's on the, I think it's towards the end of the band, car tax band. But also, actually I think it's £155 a year, but we've also got an added premium because this car is less than 6 years old, and any car less than 6 years old, you have to pay an extra like 355 quid on top, which is ridiculous. So yeah, we're looking at around £570 in terms of road tax. So now we're looking at around £3,400 if my maths is correct. And then we've got like MOT servicing. So MOT's around 30-40 quid as yearly, and then servicing, I'm not sure how much that is. I think around a couple of £100. And then if you've got anything else that needs changing, you're looking at again minimum couple of £100. Last year we had to change one of our tyres because I absolutely rinsed it on the motorway, and that BMW quoted us, I think, just above 280, I think, just to change one tyre, which is ridiculous. Now obviously I could have got it cheaper elsewhere, but BMW deemed it not road legal, so we had to get it changed pretty much straight away. So we did that. So around £3,400 a year. I don't know if I'm missing out anything else, but it is an expensive car to run, but it's a price to pay when you've got a luxurious car, which is what I would class this as. It's, like I said, it's really nice to drive, it's comfortable, it gets a lot of compliments. Whenever people look by, they're always giving it a nice look. I just had this car washed and everyone over there was just saying what a nice car this is, not to drive that fast in case anything happens to it. But yeah, it's just full of compliments, and that's one of the things I love about this car. It stands out. I mean, the color, the interior seats, which are really nice. It's like a maroon orange type. I don't know the exact type of color, but yeah, it looks really nice. So yeah, thought I'd just do a quick video of how much it costs to run this car. Obviously running it by yourself would be very costly, but luckily I've got my older brother who also drives this, so we pretty much just split the cost. So I'm looking at around 1,700 per person, and obviously with my insurance coming up next month, that's just going to be a big chunk gone. So yeah, Nice car, a lovely car. It costs quite a bit to run. Let me know how much it costs for your cars to run, if it's roughly the same or much lower. But like I said, that's the price you've got to pay if you want to drive a decent car. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Leave a like, press that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.